Okay, now what I'm going to do, step 3, is I'm actually going to download the lists that I downloaded. So I hit download list data. It downloaded to my computer. I found it in the files, and I hit, it came up as a zip file. So I right-clicked and then I clicked on extract files. So here are my extract files. I'm only going to use the subscribed members, right? Because if you can see here too, I've actually created some tags. That's something that I wanted to do next. MailChimp is very list oriented, and this one seems to be more person oriented. So I have some tags where I can give multiple tags to different customers, making my email segments more effective, I think, because in the past they've been very generic. For example, I saw somebody at a booth. Now it'll be I saw somebody at a booth in North Carolina, or I saw somebody at a booth and they're interested in a fundraiser. So I'm very excited about this. This is step 3 for me. I hope this helped. And if it did help you, go ahead and subscribe to ConvertKit to get your own affiliate link at my affiliate link listed below in the comments. I'm not sorry, the comments, but in the About section.